Imagine a compact crossover that has built a reputation for offering incredible value while still delivering modern styling, practical features, and impressive efficiency. That's exactly what the 2026 Dacia Sandero Stepway continues to bring to the market. Known for combining affordability with everyday usability, the latest Stepway arrives with subtle design refinements, smarter technology, and enhanced comfort while keeping the rugged personality that has made it one of Europe's favorite budget-friendly crossovers. Whether you're navigating crowded city streets, heading out on a weekend road trip, or tackling rough rural roads, the new Sandero Stepway aims to deliver everything most drivers actually need without unnecessary complexity. In today's video, we're taking a complete look at the 2026 Dacia Sandero Stepway to see what has changed, what remains impressive, and why this crossover continues to stand out in a highly competitive segment. From the very first glance, the 2026 Sandero Stepway carries a confident appearance that makes it look more expensive than its price suggests. The front fascia now features a sharper grille with Dacia's modern branding, slimmer LED headlights, redesigned daytime running lights, and a stronger bumper design that adds extra visual toughness. Protective black cladding around the wheel arches and lower body panels reinforces its adventurous character, while the raised ride height provides a commanding driving position and better capability on uneven roads. New alloy wheel designs and updated exterior colors further enhance its youthful personality, making the Stepway look fresh without losing its familiar identity. Along the sides, the compact proportions remain practical, while roof rails continue to add both functionality and style. At the rear, redesigned LED taillights, a revised bumper, and subtle detailing complete the modern appearance. Step inside and you'll immediately notice that practicality remains the highest priority. The dashboard layout is clean, uncluttered, and surprisingly modern for a vehicle in this price category. Soft touch materials appear in more key areas, while improved fabric upholstery gives the cabin a more premium feel. Higher trims feature attractive contrast stitching, upgraded seat materials, and additional storage compartments that make daily life easier. The driving position is comfortable, visibility is excellent, and every control is positioned within easy reach. Despite its compact dimensions, the Sandero Stepway offers generous headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers, making it an ideal family vehicle for everyday use. One of the biggest strengths of the Sandero Stepway has always been its clever use of interior space, and the 2026 version continues that tradition. Numerous cup holders, door pockets, USB charging ports, and practical storage bins make the cabin highly functional. The rear seats fold down easily to expand cargo capacity, allowing owners to carry bicycles, luggage, sports equipment, or shopping with minimal effort. The luggage compartment remains among the largest in its class, proving that affordability doesn't have to mean sacrificing practicality. Technology also receives meaningful improvements for 2026. Depending on the trim level, buyers can enjoy an updated infotainment system with a larger touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation is quicker, menus respond more smoothly, and the interface feels more intuitive than before. Voice control has been improved for easier operation while driving, and digital driver information displays provide clearer vehicle information. Wireless smartphone charging, multiple USB-C ports, Bluetooth connectivity, and enhanced audio systems make every journey more enjoyable. Dacia understands that buyers want useful technology rather than unnecessary complexity, and the Stepway delivers exactly that balance. Under the hood, efficiency remains one of the Sandero Stepway's strongest selling points. Most markets are expected to receive updated versions of Dacia's economical turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engines, delivering an excellent balance between performance and fuel economy. Drivers can choose between manual and automatic transmissions depending on the market, ensuring flexibility for different driving preferences. The available bi-fuel Eco-G version continues to be a major highlight, allowing the vehicle to operate on both petrol and LPG. This setup significantly reduces running costs while also lowering emissions, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious drivers who travel long distances. Performance isn't designed to be sporty, but it feels more than adequate for everyday driving. Acceleration is smooth, city driving is effortless, and highway cruising remains comfortable thanks to improved sound insulation and refined engine tuning. Steering is light enough for easy parking while maintaining good stability at higher speeds. Suspension tuning absorbs potholes, speed bumps, and uneven roads remarkably well, providing a comfortable ride that exceeds expectations for a vehicle in this segment. The slightly increased ground clearance also allows drivers to confidently explore gravel roads, country lanes, and rough urban streets without worrying about scraping the underside. Although the Sandero Stepway isn't intended to be a serious off-road vehicle, it offers enough capability for occasional adventures beyond paved roads. Safety receives several important upgrades for 2026 as regulations continue to evolve across Europe. Depending on the model, drivers can expect autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear parking sensors, front parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition, driver attention monitoring, hill start assist, and a rear-view camera. These advanced driver assistance systems help make daily commuting less stressful while improving overall confidence behind the wheel. The stronger body structure and multiple airbags further contribute to passenger protection. Dacia has carefully integrated these features without making the vehicle unnecessarily expensive, staying true to its philosophy of delivering maximum value. Ownership costs remain one of the biggest reasons buyers choose the Sandero Stepway over many competitors. Fuel economy is expected to remain excellent across the engine lineup, maintenance costs are generally low, insurance remains affordable in many markets, and Dacia's reputation for mechanical simplicity continues to attract practical buyers who prioritize long-term reliability. Many owners appreciate that the vehicle focuses on dependable transportation rather than expensive luxury features that may increase repair costs later. This straightforward engineering philosophy has helped the Sandero Stepway become one of Europe's best-selling vehicles year after year. The 2026 model also introduces additional personalization options. Buyers can choose from several wheel designs, contrasting roof colors, accessory packages, protective exterior elements, upgraded interior trims, and lifestyle accessories that allow each vehicle to better reflect its owner's personality. Whether someone wants a simple commuter or a more adventurous-looking crossover, the available customization options make the Stepway feel more personal without dramatically increasing the price. Compared with many competitors, the Sandero Stepway continues to offer exceptional value for money. While rival crossovers often include flashy features that significantly increase their purchase price, Dacia concentrates on the essentials that drivers use every day. Comfortable seating, practical storage, efficient engines, dependable technology, solid safety equipment, and attractive styling all come together in a package that remains accessible to a wide range of buyers. For first-time car owners, young families, retirees, and anyone seeking affordable transportation with crossover styling, the Stepway represents one of the smartest choices available. Looking ahead, the future of Dacia appears increasingly exciting as the company continues expanding its lineup while embracing electrification and sustainable mobility. Although the 2026 Sandero Stepway remains primarily focused on efficient combustion engines, its modern platform has been developed with future technologies in mind, ensuring the model stays competitive as market demands evolve. This balanced approach allows Dacia to maintain affordable pricing while gradually introducing more advanced solutions in future generations. Overall, the 2026 Dacia Sandero Stepway proves that a vehicle doesn't need an enormous price tag to deliver impressive design, practical versatility, modern technology, and dependable everyday performance. It successfully blends rugged crossover styling with excellent efficiency, generous interior space, and sensible ownership costs, creating a package that appeals to real-world drivers rather than chasing unnecessary luxury. For anyone searching for a reliable, stylish, and budget-friendly crossover that performs confidently in daily life while remaining affordable to own, the new Sandero Stepway deserves serious attention. It continues to stay true to Dacia's core philosophy of offering honest value without compromise, and that's exactly why this compact crossover remains one of the smartest automotive choices in its class for 2026.